Hello, my name is Sergio Bravo.
And my name is Christian, and we will explain how to prove trigonometric functions. So let's start.
Let's start.
The first trigonometric function that we will be explaining will be the one that the derivative of sine of x is equal to cosine of x. So the first thing that we are going to do is to follow the following rule, that is the limit when delta x is near to 0. So this is our formula, and now divided by delta x, and now what we have to do is to substitute. So it will be something like the limit of delta x when it's to 0, it's equal to the sine times x plus delta x minus the sine of x divided by delta x. So now what we have to do is to follow the following rule, that is sine of a plus b, that it is equal to sine of a times cosine of b plus cosine of a times sine of b.
This is a rule that is already proved, so we are not to prove in this video.
So now what we have to do is to separate both. Separate the one that we have made, and it will be something like the limit of delta x when it is 0, it's equal to the sine, the sine of x multiplying cosine of delta x minus 1 divided by delta x, and the other half of the operation will be limit of delta x when it is near to 0, it's equal to cosine of x times the sine of delta x divided by delta x.
Yes.
So now we have to do is to, because of this, so it is mentioned that the delta x is almost equal to 0. So if we multiply delta x, it will let us to 0. So this operation is equal to 0.
Yes.
And in this case, because of this, we can cancel both, and it will let us to that this operation is also valuable as 1. And now we can say that 0 times the 0 that we have from this times the sine of x plus the cosine of x times 1 that we have here, it's equal to cosine of x.
And this is how it gives us.
So now we're going to pass to the other function that will be explained by Sergio Fernando
Bravo son.
Bravo Son.
Solo de este lado. Only this part, please. So I'm going to prove how function of tan x is equal to the derivative of secant to the square of x. So we must to remember that tan of x is equal to sine of x divided of cos of x, cosine of x, and the rule that is already proved, and the formula that says that it's a chain rule, so it's gx times a derivative of x of x of the first function minus the function of the first function
Times
times the derivative of the second function over the second function the second function to the square. Yeah, and now we only need to substitute the values, so it's goes like this: cosine of x, well, the x times sine of x, that is here, minus sine x, well, the derivative of x, and times cosine of x, and this over cosine to the square of x. And it goes like this: cosine of x times cosine of x minus sine of x times minus sine of x. And as you can see, we have this over cos to the square of x. Yeah, this part, please, in this part. And then you can see we can cancel some of the values, and it takes us this formula: cosine to the square. Well, not cancel. Cosine times cosine is cosine to the square. Sine times minus sine is minus sine to the square. So cosine x minus times minus plus and plus sine square of x divided cos square x. And then it's already algebra, because this is equal to 1, and is equal to 1, and in the down part we have cos of 2x, and this expression is like to say that secant to the square, and this is our derivative here.
So thank you.
Thank you.